Time for a love potion, little sweet and spice.
Welcome back, guys. Here with AF Sister Wigs. Let's go ahead and jump into the wig that we got today. So that's the first thing I'm seeing in the box. Then, as it relates to goodies, I got this edge brush and comb, a pair of wig caps, some pins, and a claw clip. That's how it looks. And that's everything in the box. So this is the wig that we're working with for today. It's a gorgeous curly wig. But what's so special about this wig is that it is a full-on fake scalp wig, guys. So the top features of this wig is that it's glueless, so you don't need any glue, and it's easy to install. Okay, so most of the cap construction is lace. Well, all of it is lace. As I said, it's a full lace wig. Alright, but in terms of the fake scalp portion, that's at the front and the back. As you can see, the lighter portion that you're looking at, you do not need to do the ball cap method with this, because the fake scalp area protects your hair beneath, it protects your edges and stuff. So I love that. The material, you can feel it, that it's really like gentle. It will be very gentle on your head. So I love that they incorporated that kind of material. You can part this wig anywhere you want, because as I said, it's full lace, and when I install it, you guys will see that. All right, so you guys know that glueless wigs are definitely trending. Like, it's the top wigs right now, especially in such hot time. You know, nobody wants to be confined to one wig for too long. You can easily just slip it on or slip it off. You don't have to commit for too long. So I love it, and it can still look so realistic. So this, it is lightly pre-plucked for you, and they pretty much do everything for you already, because it's so nicely customized. So you really don't have to worry about doing anything yourself. Just order this wig and slip it on, and that's what we're gonna get into. Before I jump to installing it, inside of the wig, I forgot to tell you, has a total of 4 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the front and 1 in the back, and there's also an adjustable strap. So the adjustable strap, you know, helps with more security, and as I said, it's glueless, so you don't have to worry about the wig falling off your head. All right, so love that. And you also have this extra elastic band, which adds a lot more security as well. So yeah, that's pretty much how it looks, and I'm pretty much just gonna go ahead and jump into installing this for you guys, which is gonna be very quick, very easy, to the point, no ball cap needed. And oh, by the way, all the specifications on this wig is listed in my description box. So if you want to know the specific length, the density, all that good stuff, it's down below. So go ahead and check that out. Let's go ahead and jump into this installation. Feels really snug once I go ahead and slip it on. It feels good on my head. And no, I definitely didn't do a ball cap method for this. All I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut away the excess lace.
Time for a love potion, little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire.
The drill for full-on lace front glueless wigs, usually for the ear portion, I like to still just spray it down with some spray, just to keep it in place. You still don't need any glue or anything. You could go ahead and rock it without putting anything on it, but me, just, you know, I just don't want it to be like flapping like this. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of my spray and kind of just do that just a little bit, and spray that down in place so it's not flabbing. It's as easy as that. So you see, completely glueless. So all I'm gonna go ahead and do is take some of my face powder to eliminate like that castiness that's left on the lace right there. So I'm gonna just go in and just tap it onto anywhere I feel like it's too casty, and that's literally going to be it for the installation. Okay, so that's how we're looking. I love how it has blended out because the lace is very much like a really nice HD lace. It's thick lace era sort on. Before I go ahead and get glammed, I want to elongate my parting, but you see how good the lace looks, like so undetectable. I'm just gonna go ahead and elongate this parting because guess what, remember I told you guys this is a full-on lace wig, so you can part this anywhere at all. So let me go ahead and show you. So you can part it anywhere at all. See, so you can be super versatile with this wig for sure, 100%.
I dream of you all night. Feel with emotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling in love with me.
I love a good deep parting, I should say. I don't know, something about it, it's just so nice. So I'm gonna go ahead, get glammed, and then I'm gonna come back. When I come back, I'll style the hair further, like, you know, get it wet and nice and juicy to find these curls, because it's giving. If you want to see this makeup look, it's on my Instagram page, just on the screen, so go check that out. Yep. Okay. But right now I love this look. Okay, so this is option 1 to wear the hair. Okay, if you don't want it wet, I think this is giving like this big drag, but I really want to go ahead and wet it too. But you see, everything is so blended, it looks so good, like completely glueless. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spritz it with water, just water, because I'm really loving this volume, so I don't mind it just, you know, drying down really quickly. See, that's real pretty, super pretty. Love that, love that. Perfect curly bob. As I said, I'm going to be putting all the specifications on the wig in my description box, so please be sure to check that out and let me know what you guys think. Again, glueless, yeah. Oh, and by the way, I need you guys to know that this is super secured. I didn't shake this as yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this hair a shake. So because remember, it has all those combs which I used and the elastic band to secure it, so it's really secure. I know probably some of you guys are a bit hesitant because these wigs are glueless sometimes, and you're like, I wonder how easy it's gonna fall off my head. So let's test it. See, your girl is very pleased. I 10 out of 10 recommend. If you're looking for a really bomb curly bob, you got it. What? And it's glueless, no baby hairs needed. You notice? No baby hairs. Yeah, love it, love, love, love. So I'm gonna be sure, as I said, to put all details down below, so please go ahead, check that out, as well as the direct link where you can order this wig. And that's it for today's wig look. Yeah, don't forget to also check out my Instagram page with this makeup look. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect.